If you click it, you get a file, a zip file. Okay. If you want to do more detail on because I showed you just a simple one, but with that you can use it to build the half adder. And if you want to get more involved, this okay, there's different version, but we are not going to the advanced feature. We just use simple one. Okay, so we probably use only the tutorial number 1. Okay, so it's 2 or 3 page here. Okay, right? Don't need to read it. So I already download to my computer on the, you can see my logic work. And once you unzip it, you get this directory, logic work 5. Okay, click into that. So you have this, you don't have to install anything. Okay, just unzip it. It's very easy to use. So you double click on application, right? The rest is kind of accompany software for it to work, right? So we'll then double click it. Yeah, it is very fast, right? Okay. So before I start to design the circuit for you to see, I just want you to see the example. Okay, so we do some example. Okay, the first example is almost the best way. This one is it's run too fast, right? All right. Okay, this one is a counter. It's a 3-bit counter, and you can see that what this circuit can do. It can actually right, show you the waveform and everything. And we have the master clock, the clock, the bottom line is the master clock. Okay, and what happened in each output that you can monitor. Okay, you can see the output from the output of 3 flip-flop. What we want to do is not sequential circuit. Okay, we just want a combination, which is much easier. So, and do create. Okay, we have a clean sheet of and I move on the right. You have all the element you want to build from, and you can limit yourself to what kind of thing you want to do. But let's not do that. I research a little bit. I show you how you can simulate a gate. Right? We just learn very simple one. So we use AND gate. So you can do, I want AND gate. I want 2 input AND gate. Right? So it is a symbol here. So you can drag it. So you have, you have the first your own computer element here. So if we want to put the input in, we have to use some switch and the monitor of the output, right? So in this circuit, it's called switch. So I want switch. Okay, I want binary switch. Okay, so there's 2 input. So I want 2 of them. So I drag it from here. So now I have 2 input. And I want 1 output. So this output is called probe. Okay. Okay, so it's called binary probe. Okay, look like this. So I put it here. The X symbol C is its unknown value. It's called high impedance in terms of electrical engineer. Oh, that's all, right? And we can wire together using just drawing tool. So we just wire it. I click it and wire it. Boom. Oh, not connect. Okay, connect. Wire it. Boom. Okay, remember this is a combination logic, so no need for clock and other thing. Okay, so these are the circuit, and then they say, hey, how to run the circuit? This is not the actual circuit, right? So you don't have to put in voltage and other thing. It's a logic gate. You simulate the logic gate. So if you say 1 and 0, it becomes 0. Or let's say 0, 0 is 0. 0, 1 is 0, right? 1, 0 is 0. 1 and 1 is 1. Okay, so very easy. Let's try again with another one. Okay, right. We have AND gate. So let's say I want OR gate. OR gate. Ooh, do we? Oh, we have to put OR gate. Right? And it Nice looking. Wow. I want some switch, binary switch. Okay, so let's two switch. And then we can wire. Amazing that you can use it. 0, 0 is 0. Either of them have 1, then output become 1. Let's watch. Okay, it's 1. 1, 1, still 1, right? 1, 0, still 1. Both of them 0, then 0. So we can verify the working of this gate easily. And you can wire further. Say we need a OR gate again, right? Maybe 2 OR gate. Okay. And you can wire the output from here to here, right? Oh, I drag the probe. I want this one. Yeah. Okay, so this kind of thing that you can wire the complex circuit. So just making the full adder and half adder and verify if it works correctly according to the truth table. You can save the circuit. Okay, when you can do this kind of file and save, and when we close it, it asks you to save, right? If you save it, it saves you some default value.